Ever wonder why your joints crack when you move? It's not just a quirky sound, it's a fascinating science. When you stretch or bend your joints, the pressure changes in the synovial fluid, which lubricates them. This change creates tiny gas bubbles that form and then collapse, producing that distinctive popping noise. Interestingly, this phenomenon is called cavitation. While it might sound alarming, it's usually harmless. However, if cracking is accompanied by pain or swelling, it could signal an underlying issue. So, next time you hear that satisfying crack, remember, it's just your joints releasing gas, not a cause for concern.